Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alinafe Edward here. Another day, another video, another plug. I'm a queen of skills, you guys. Take a look at this new look. Today in this video, I want to share with you how you can do your own braids at the comfort of your couch. You know, I'm so selfless. I like sharing what I know. So today I'm going to share you this skill that will save you money. Maybe perhaps you can start your own braiding business. It's so simple and so easy. I'm a queen of skills. Right? So simple. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. Okay, now that we are going to start, firstly, you have to make your hair, your own hair. Just do 3 parts and then you twist it around. That way you will be able to come up with it. So I'll just give you an example of how you have to do it, and this is how you have to do it. And make sure you do all your full head. So I'll just go quickly with it so that we should be done. And then after that, that's when we'll start installing our fiber in our hair. So this way that I'm doing, it will protect your hair from breaking, and it will not come out. So as you can see, I've done half full, so I'll show you the final look. So this is all that you have to do. Make sure you do this first. After that, take a hook. You have your fiber. You have to part it. Take it through underneath your hair. Make a hole underneath your hair. Just part it, bring it on the side. Make sure you are flexible enough to move it around. Don't make it too tight, and take another piece. The reason why I take another piece is because I want my braid to be a bit big, so the hook couldn't take all of it at once. Maybe you wonder, why did I do it twice instead of once off? So that is the reason why. So you just have to twist it in threes. You should be able to know that. So this is our look. So I will give you another example. Take your hook underneath your hair, hook your fiber in, and take another small piece, and then you part ways of your fiber, and then you twist it around. More like you part it in three, not twist it. Twist it is two. Yes, forgive me for that. So you just have to do your zigzags. I believe you know this. Every woman should know this. If you do not know, shame on you. But you can always try. I'm just joking. Let's do it for the 3rd time, and then after I'm done doing this, I'll just go around a half head so that you should see how far I have come. When you are done this, I will show you. It can't be that difficult. You can simply do this at home. You don't need to go to the salon for this. So as I've done 3, I now have done half my head, but just take note that you may miss some parts, so you have to make sure you check it. You check your head around using your fingers. Like for me here, I missed 3 parts, so I will have to do it quickly for you to be able to see. Yeah, so don't beat yourself too hard. You are going to encounter these things, but at the end of the day, you are going to get through it. So like I showed you in the first place, just hook your fiber underneath your hair, and then you are going to do your zigzag. You part your fiber in 3, and make sure you cover your natural hair in the fiber, okay, so that it shouldn't be seen. That's the most important part that you have to work on when you are doing your own hair, because you can easily miss your hair. It can come out, it doesn't look professional at all. But if you do that, you make sure that you have a professional look. So let me just do the second one so that you see so quickly and so easy. By now you should be able to do this on your own. I'm doing the last one, and then after that I will show you the remaining part that I have to do, and I will do that very quick so that you should see our final look. I know you are too anxious to see. You are going to see it. Make sure you cover your hair in your fiber. We don't want to see your hair outside your fiber, right? So after I was done with the part that I missed, we are done now. So just go on your scalp, just check around to make sure that everything is fine, and then you can just use your fingers. You can just use your fingers. No one will teach you these skills. It's just common sense, but common sense is no longer common. So this is the other part that is remaining. Let me just do it. This is our final look. You guys, I'm in pain, but girl has to do what a girl has to do. But this is our final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Freely have I shared. Freely should you share, so that someone should learn how to do their own braids at the comfort of their couch. I have one tip for you though. When you're doing your own braids, don't be too hard on yourself. Whatever baby hair that is left, leave it. Do not tie it, because it is going to spoil your hairline. As you can see here, look at me, look at my hairline. It's better you apply gel. It's better you apply gel instead of tying your hairline. Otherwise, you will not have hairline at all. I know sometimes even if you go to the salon, you are watching this, you are just interested to know how you can do your own braids, but you still prefer to go to the salon. Please tell whosoever is doing your hair not to tie too much on your hairline, because it's going to break. At the end of the day, your hair will start from here. Girlfriend, you do not want that. Okay, yeah, so love yourself that much that you can leave your baby hair. That is why we have to buy gel for that. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, from this look, stay safe. Bye.